There are a couple of hours now for MWC to begin, and one user got lucky and got his hands on the beast, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Both the phone looks stunning. The way Samsung has prepared to drop the bomb is amazing. As we can see, the Galaxy S9 has a single camera setup, but what intimidates me the most is the later one, which is the Galaxy S9 Plus. It has those dual cameras, and beneath the camera is the fingerprint reader. I guess Samsung has finally fixed the position of the fingerprint reader, which was a bit awkward in the Galaxy S8 and the Note 8. The bezel has shrinked in the lower part, and we can now hardly notice it, and there is no side bezels too. The camera in the Galaxy S9 is a 12 megapixel shooter with f1.5 aperture. The Galaxy S9 Plus has a dual camera setup, with the primary one same as the S9 and the second lens has a 12 megapixel shooter with f2.4 aperture. Both has optical image stabilization. This year Samsung has done some modifications to the earpiece, which will now make him act as secondary speaker, which makes it the first Samsung phone to don a dual speaker system. By this setup, Samsung is ready to up the speaker game, as it was a downside for the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. Both facial and iris scanner will be present on the devices to ensure much better security and to keep your data only yours. From the home screen layout, we can see there is not much changes in the UI. What looks new is the new app, which is AR emoji, which I guess will be similar to Apple's Animoji. Biggest change this year the phone brings is that this year finally Samsung has decided to go for the 6GB RAM instead of 4GB RAM. Although 2 more gigs won't make much of a difference, but as we know, greater is always better.